Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you want to put your name on everything you own, you need this DYMO label maker. I really like how easy and simple it is to use, as easy as typing what you want to print and pressing print. As simple as that. It's great for labeling boxes, labeling food dates, and also putting my name on all of my stuff. One of my favorite things about this label maker is how much I can customize on the fonts, the size, boldness, style, and I can even put borders. So it's awesome that I can change what I print depending on what I need. Changing the label tapes is super easy. And also, as a native Spanish speaker, I appreciate that it has a dedicated button for my beloved letter ñ. So that's very nice. Overall, I love how easy and effortless it is to use. So it has been super helpful, so I can label everything in my house so there's no confusions with my stuff, and that is my point of view.